Right, today is the 29th of December, so
yeah.
we're very busy today, and as always, we always have YouTube followers from all over the world. So I have two lovely gentlemen here, and if you introduce yourself,
Rafael,
please. Rafael, originally from Hungary, but he now lives in London.
Yeah.
So he's a very keen bonsai person. He virtually knows all my videos. And this gentleman here, what's your name, sir?
My name is Nitin. I'm from India. I'm as a tourist here right now.
Okay, so we have all these YouTube followers. So I'm going to give them, if they have the time, a quick lesson in bonsai. So thank you for coming, and I'm delighted
so much for having me. Thanks
so let me just give you some moss. Rafael collects special moss, and this moss is a moss that has a minty smell. So because you're so knowledgeable, I will let you collect as much as you wish.
Oh, thanks so much. Very kind of you.
Is that enough for you?
I think that's gonna be a good start.
Okay. So there you are, special mint moss.
Wow. What's the scientific name for it?
I don't know. You'll have to look up
Wow.
Google. Okay.
Yeah, thanks so much.
So all the best.
Oh, thanks so much.
And hope to see you again, Rafael.
Hopefully.
Okay?
Hopefully.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much. Thank you.
Why don't you do? Okay. Now you can cut the wire with the secateurs. If you cut it, see there's a notch over here, like that. Okay, you put a wire on the trunk and then you wire it, and I will see what you do. Make sure you got enough. Hang on. Measure enough, like that.
You want me to put the full?
Full length.
Okay.
Yeah, full length. Yeah, like that. Okay, now you. Feel free, do it your way. Remember, I always say there's no right and no wrong way. There's just a different way. Keep it tight, really tight. As with anything, the more you practice, the better you become. Very good. Just avoid trapping the branches and go to the top. Where the branch gets thinner, then don't wrap it so tight. Okay, right, very nice. Your wiring is nice and neat. So now you can make the S shape like so, and let me see how you do it. I usually Gumao,
yes.
Gumao.
I saw that, but I tried to do it. I couldn't figure it out. But yeah, okay.
So people, those of you who are watching from India will know that I'm Indian. Gumao. Jor se maro. Don't be afraid, you can't hurt the tree. They're very flexible, very flexible. Conifers are usually very flexible. But if you try to do it with bougainvillea, it won't work, because bougainvillea is very brittle. Good.
Does that work?
Okay, I will show you now. When I say stir the pot, the way I usually do it, I always teach people to stir the pot, that sort of action. That sort of action. So if you just, when I say gumao, that means go round, you can literally go round like that. So you go around, stir the pot, and you get a more pleasing shape. Can you see?
Yeah, yeah.
You have a go again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
a little better.
Yeah, that's better.
Oh. So it has to be like a round motion throughout.
Round motion, round motion. So that's quite nice. You can do some more to the top. Because these plants are grown so well, there's so many branches that you have a choice. Now you trapped a couple of the branches. I won't do it because I want to use one of the branches that you trapped. You see what happened there? You trapped that one. So when you find plants that you want to use for bonsai, always choose plants that have a lot of branches, because the more branches you have, the more choices you have for wiring the branches. Right. If you don't have a lot of branches, then the choice is limited. Makes sense, huh? So now we have a choice of wiring all these branches. Don't be discouraged when the shape doesn't come out perfect the first time. All these things require practice. The more you practice, the better you become.
Is it normal for the shape to release itself?
No. Once you keep the wire on for about a year, that shape will stay like that, okay?
Okay.
So now we're going to wire these branches. So you've got some more branches to wire, if I can give you some wire. If you choose, see, we have so many different grades of wire because every thickness suits a particular thickness of branch. So there's no one size fits all. Okay, so I'm going to make you do these two branches. Okay, if you wire these two branches. Remember two branch principle, huh? You may remember what I said. Anchor it on one branch and then proceed to the next one. Don't try and do the complete one. Once you anchor, then do the full one on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, so you've anchored this, okay, then go to that one. This one.
Should I go around it or just start it right now?
You can go right across. Okay, it's okay. Sometimes you can go around, especially if you go up the trunk, you can go around it. Careful, don't wrap the branch around the wire, wrap the wire around the branch. That's a common mistake a lot of people make. Okay, wrap the wire around the branch, not the other way around. It's so easy to make that mistake. Okay, now do the other one. Yeah, wire on the branch. I always say that as long as you wire everything in sight, it should come out okay. Okay, now I get you to do these two. Now these two. Okay, you want these two. These two. Be very careful. You're falling in the trap of wrapping the branch around the wire. Okay, let me give you a little tip. Okay, so if you're doing this branch, so hold the branch and then take the wire on like that.
Okay.
Okay, rather than keep doing that.
Okay.
Okay, just hold the branch
Straight.
and then hold the branch and then go around like that.
Okay.
It's amazing how often
easier
people
if you
make
face
the same mistake, you know.
face the branch towards you. It's normally quite easier to wire towards yourself as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like
That makes sense.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now take the wire off. Therefore, don't fall in the trap. I can see you're going to wrap the branch around the wire.
Yeah.
It is such a common mistake people make. That's it. That's the way, huh?
Each time, move your,
Yeah.
pin to last coil.
Yeah, that's right. Don't wrap that branch around the wire.
This is my third wiring.
Okay. All right, you've got 2 pairs there. Now, let's see what other ones we can do. So let's arrange the branches where we think they would be nice. That one too low I don't need because it's too low down. So we can put these. So as long as they are put in position, so I don't need them that long. I can cut the tips off and it'll bud more. Now I've got these 2 still, so you can wire these 2. So let me give you a bit of wire to do these 2. Let me just find the right grade of wire. It's amazing, you know, if you use the wrong grade of wire, it makes life more difficult. Either it's too thick or too thin. Okay, now this length of wire should be enough. So you're going to do these 2.
Okay.
These 2 branches. So you can poke it through the see, it gives it stability. And do these 2, like so. And I will show you what we will do with the top.
Just sit towards yourself. Yeah. You've anchored that one, haven't you?
Huh?
You've anchored it, now the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't get into bad habit.
Your wire is much more malleable than what we
Yeah,
get in
that's
India.
why you should get proper bone wire. I'm sure this guy in Delhi sells it.
Sanjay Dham, you said.
Yes, I'll give you his name and number. That's it, wrap the wire on. That's it, take the wire. Like that. Yes, that's good. That's good. Like so. See what a difference. Looks different already, huh? Okay, now we're going to do something to the top. Because the top is looking just straight up, I can bring it down like that to make it look better like that. Okay. So what do? I can link a piece of wire like that and go up the trunk. So let me do that for you. So let me find the right grade of wire again. So I think this grade of wire. So I'm still using the 2-branch principle. So to do that, I'm going to link this one here. So I'm going to anchor that and then take the wire up the tree. Okay, now if you follow the path of this existing wire like that and take it all the way to the top. Take your time. That's very good. Okay, now let's position the tree. So we can position it so that it leans like that rather than like that. Okay. So that is the way we're going to pot it. So I can now bring that thing around so it doesn't look as if it's going straight up, you see? And these branches I can arrange so that zigzag it a little bit so it shortens the branch, makes it more interesting. And there you are. Give it a few years, it'll become an interesting tree. I'll pot it up for you and you can take it away with you. We put it in one of these pots. So I will pot it properly. But there you are. There's your bonsai made at Herons.
Awesome.
Come, Nitin. You can take it back with you.
Thank you so much.
With my compliments. No charge.